लॉकडाऊन संपूर्ण देशभर आहे आणि प्रत्येक ठिकाणी वेगवेगळे प्रश्न लोकांना भेडसावतात. सर्वजण सध्या घरात आहेत. सुरतमधील मेहता कुटुंब यावेळी लॉकडाऊनमध्ये घरात आहे आणि व्यवसायानं उद्योजक असलेले हे कुटुंब त्यांना या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये नेमके कोणत्या प्रकारचे अनुभव आहेत आणि या लॉकडाऊनकडं हे संपूर्ण कुटुंब कसं बघतंय ते आपण बघूयात.
इस महामारी के आने के बाद कई लोगों का बहुत कुछ नुकसान हुआ है। सबसे पहले जो छोटे लोग हैं, मध्यम लोग हैं, जो रोज पैसा कमाते हैं, उनका जब दुख सामने आता है तो मन बहुत व्याकुल होता है कि इन लोगों का दुख किस तरह से ठीक हो। सबसे बड़ी तकलीफ और सबसे बड़ा जो नुकसान है वो लोगों की जान का है। दूसरी तरफ इस लॉकडाउन के कारण हिंदुस्तान की कई जानें बची है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो निर्णय लिया है, आज पूरा विश्व उसकी प्रशंसा कर रहा है। मैं स्वयं इस लॉकडाउन का समर्थन करता हूं तथा इस निर्णय के लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी के प्रति कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करता हूं कि उन्होंने जो डिसीजन लिया उसकी वजह से हम भारतवासियों की कई जानें बच गई और कई लोग बीमारी से बच गए। इसके कारण आज 40 दिन से हम लोग घर में हैं, तो जो फैमिली बॉन्डिंग जिस तरह से 40 दिन हम साथ में रहने से बढ़ी और पर्टिकुलरली जेंट्स लोगों को पता चला कि लेडीज की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होती है, वो कितना कार्य करती है, घर को किस तरह से चलाती है, उसका हमको अभी अनुभव हुआ तथा साथ में कई चीजें सीखने को मिली। इस पीरियड में जब पूरा दिमाग खाली रहता है तो आदमी सोचता रहता है और उस सोच से आगे भविष्य के लिए बहुत सारी अच्छी पॉजिटिव सोच हमारे मन में आई है, जिनको हम आगे जाके क्रियान्वित करेंगे।
लॉकडाउन के बाद कुछ विचार ऐसे चल रहे हैं कि यहाँ अकेले रहने में निरंतर आध्यात्मिक प्रगति हो रही है। खाली बैठने पर ध्यान और ज्ञान के तरफ विशेष रुचि हो रही है। समय सार्थक करें। सामाजिक क्षेत्र में मानव को समझ रहा है और उसे ऐसे लॉकडाउन पीरियड में लग रहा है कि हमें किस तरह से एक दूसरे के साथ रहना है, कैसे मदद करनी है। इस दौरान ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में ये वायरस नहीं गया है तो वहाँ के लोगों को काफी फायदा मिलेगा, खेतीबाड़ी बढ़ेगी और ऐसे उद्योग बढ़ेंगे जिससे भारत का निर्यात बहुत बढ़ेगा।
During this period, I've spent a lot of time with my family, which has increased our family bond. Secondly, that I've moved towards a healthier lifestyle. And thirdly, in this free time that I'm getting, I'm trying to read as much as articles and business reviews that I can, which has expanded the horizon of my knowledge. Being a young entrepreneur, I think I will get a stop in how I was building up my business. The economy is obviously going to slow down, but getting on the positive side, I think we will recover. My suggestion to the government is that if the pandemic is not getting in control, then please extend the lockdown, and for the people, please keep patient and maintain social distance.
The advantages is that I am newly married and I got to spend very good time with my family and my in-laws. I got to know each one very closely. I got a good time to spend with my husband as well as everyone. Playing games, doing the cooking, getting your hobbies right, and at this period of time is something which we all wanted always, and we've got a very good opportunity to do this. The second thing is that so many web sessions are going on, and all these Zoom meetings and all give you a lot of knowledge about the business opportunities which we can do post this lockdown. We are also going towards a healthy lifestyle where we all are taking more and more precaution and taking care of ourselves. The disadvantages of this lockdown period is that since 40 days, as we are the young entrepreneurs of the country, we are going to face a very big loss in the coming time. Also, the people who live on their daily wages are facing a very big problem today because they are not getting enough food and water. I think that we all should like take care of them, and like for this lockdown to end, I think the most important thing is that we should take care of ourselves first. Stay indoors, stay safe, take care of all the people in the house, especially the people who are old in your house, the children, the pregnant women, everyone in the house. Please take care of them. Stay safe.
But you know, the good thing about this lockdown is we have come close to our friends and relatives whom we have not spoken since a couple of days, maybe couple of months. We got time to speak to them, to have video conferencing. Besides that, we got an opportunity to do those things which we had only dreamt of. Cooking skills of a lot of people have evolved over this lockdown period. People have tried a lot of new things and had a lot of good time with the family, which they would have not had if the lockdown would have not given such an opportunity to stay at home. I know the business is slowing down for everyone right now. Everyone is facing a lot of hardship and they are not able to deliver what the actual business is. But as it is said, time passes and the things will be normal. So we hope that everything comes to a standstill and we are back to the routine business. We also got opportunity over this period to think out of the box and see what business.
The advantages that I personally feel are like after 4 years of getting married, I got to spend 1 full month with my family, and I got to know them very well. Apart from my own family, like through WhatsApp groups, through games, we bonded very well with our extended families as well. That is number one. At personal level, yes, at spiritual level also, like we have been reading a lot of books. We have been studying religion, doing our religious activity. So yeah, it has got us one step closer to the God. And yeah, at personal level also, it has given us a lot of time to introspect, like what we actually are, or what we really need, what we really like want in the life. So that is good thing. We got to spend a little more time with ourselves, which is very much important. The disadvantages, I would say, like I definitely empathize with the daily wage workers, the Uber drivers, delivery boys, the laborers. Like we do empathize with them, like because their livelihood is at risk, and personally accept it as the new normal. Do not crib about it. Whatever has happened has happened. Just be safe. Maintain social distancing. Even after the lockdown, when you go out, wear your mask. Take care of yourself. Find your opportunity. Brainstorm, and that's the way of life now.